Welcome back to Department of College Education. Dear student, you can study the business law under the various session. So under this session, you can study the silent features of FEMA or features of FEMA or objective of FEMA. So dear student, recall the foreign exchange of exchange from the subject of business economics. So what are the objective of this learn of unit? We are face requires innovation and engagement with the whole community including academia, emergency management, professional organization and the private sector. So the major outcome of this session is we should be able to understand how to make increase the foreign exchange rate of our country. Our country is very important. How to raise our exchange rate? You know today what are the exchange rate between the India and America? You can know, you can learn, you can see what are the difference, how many difference between our rupees and dollar. So you can able to understand, you can study this session. So what are the features of FEMA? The contravention of provision under section FEMA will be dealt with through civil procedure. FEMA describes an elaborate redressal machinery for the total justice and fairness to the implicated while deciding on the questions of contravention. Moreover, the offence under the FEMA are countable by the paying penalty. So first, what are the objective or features? Activities such as payment made to any person outside India or receipt from them along with the deals with foreign exchange and foreign securities restricted. It is the FEMA that gives the central government power to impose a restriction. Without general or specific permission of FEMA, restricted the transaction involve the foreign exchange of foreign security and payment from the outside of country to India. The transaction should be made only through unauthorized persons. Free transaction on the current account subject to reasonable restriction that may be imposed. Next, deals in foreign exchange under the current account by an authorized person can be restricted by the central government based on public interest generally. Fifth one, resident of India will be permitted to carry out transaction in foreign exchange, foreign security or to own or hold immovable property abroad if the currency, security or property was owned or acquired when he or she was involving outside India or when it was inherited by him or her from someone living outside India. Next, sixth one, although selling or drawing of foreign currency is done through an authorized person, the RBI is empowered by this act to subject the capital account transaction to a number of restrictions. So dear student, you know the further what are the features of FEMA. Please refer the book Business Law, Dr. Alice Money, and also I will give the link to the and click the link and you can study the further need of objective or silent features of FEMA. So I will also in this session give the MCQ. The contravention of provision under the FEMA will be dealt with through dash procedure foreign exchange, civil, legal, both A and B, none of the above. You can give the right answer. And also payment of FEMA that give the which government the power to impose the transaction or restriction, state, central, both A and B or none of the above. Give the right answer. The transaction under the FEMA should be made only through dash person, authorized person, unauthorized person, individual or all of the above. You can select the right one or which is correct. Dash transaction on the current account subject to a reasonable restriction that may be imposed. You can give the four answer, free, strict, both A and B, and of the above. Select the right answer. which is empowered by this act to subject the capital account transaction to a number of restriction. Option RBI, central, state, or all of the above. Select the which one is correct. Okay, thank you, friends.